What is up, Brian Fan17, and today we are testing the third fan of the day. This is Dexter's Casablanca Delta 2 in antique white.
Yeah.
It is 4-blade, 5-blade convertible, but the fan only ever came with 4 of its blades. It is on an LCA. It came with a low ceiling adapter. It did not come with any vents. All the vents were both these were ripped out. But that's
Is the finish from Mark and Sand?
It's antique white.
Oh, I think it's antique white. And yeah, so I guess without further ado, let's get into the demonstration.
Low. Nice.
Speaking of this, Carter just texted me and said he's all the way in Pennsylvania.
Oh really?
Oh.
Yeah, he left early, man.
Wow.
I didn't even get to say goodbye to him last night.
It's okay.
I'm already starting to feel a breeze.
There's one blade that has like less pitch than the others, and one that's kind of bent up.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah.
Honestly, I'm the.
No
oh
biggie.
wait, I was in the light. Never mind.
No biggie. Yeah, medium. Yeah, yesterday we were at Gabe's house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The legs are kind of balanced, but the fan does not wobble. I like the LCA system. That's pretty cool. The low ceiling adapter.
Everybody ready for high?
Yeah.
Yep.
High speed. Oh wow, it goes like instantly. Oh wow, so it's a wind tunnel.
Yeah, it doesn't. Dexter, when he had it installed in his basement, he said it would shake a lot high. It doesn't really do that here.
Are we gonna do reverse?
And off.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna do reverse.
Yeah,
I'm gonna cut the video.
Are we not doing reverse?
No.
Yeah.
Do we even need to do
I mean, you can do
spin down?
reverse, but I'm gonna cut the video.
Yeah, do we need to do spin down?
Not really.
I don't think so.
Okay, well,
actually, can we do reverse?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll
Like,
do
just
it.
put it on high. Reverse.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's just not go through all the speeds.
Yeah, just high. And then I'm gonna.
And it's
cut.
blowing-
Damn, it's blowing away.
It's learning the Wellia.
Oh yeah! Wow.
Oh yeah, you can
Oh,
see it
really?
in my video.
Strong too. Wow.
I'm gonna turn off my switch.
Okay.
All right, that's
Well,
it.
that's
guys.
it.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and
Thanks for watching.
subscribe.
What Brandon said.